Next part I've done is I've added a blue lead and I put stop across the target. So using Tamiya X23 clear blue paint. So I just dip the lead into tacky glue, let that dry just to seal the solder pads, and then I added the blue on top of that. So down, up. So we've now got that working. Okay, an explanation of these animation motors that I use, and that it's only cheap. They're called an N20 and they've got the gearbox in front of the motor, and I just put a crank wheel on and I put a little Pico track spike in there as the crank pin. So they're an N20 motor and they're only very cheap off eBay. Here I've got a voltage regulator, 3 legs on it. Those who are new to electronics or whatever, they're just going to control the voltage. So on the red wire there I've got 12 volts coming in positive, and on this black wire I've got 12 volts coming in negative. I've got a 470 ohm resistor there, I've got a 750 ohm resistor there. You've got the voltage in on this side, the voltage out in the middle, and the adjust. Now the adjustment is where you put resistor value in there to get the speed of the motor. I'll turn that on so you can see that's now turning. I'm just going to have a press button switch on off to make that. There's the top, there's the bottom. So I'll get the target moving up, down, just by a press button switch. This is the front, so that's just something that I'll do it during operations. So that's just an explanation of the circuits that I make. You play around with the resistor values and you can get the motor to go faster or slower. And the underside, there's the motor, and you just control it like that. I'll swap that motor out, this noisy one. Sometimes you get a noisy one. So it's just working a crank, pushing that wire backwards and forwards off the wheel. So he's got his arm waving there, the conductor, or the brakeman, and we're coming up to the blue light on the yellow target. He put his hand up to stop. So I've added a blue light on top of the target there now. Put that down. Now we can drive over it. There's the targets down there now. Alright, just for demonstration, we'll get out of there. And once we've gone, we can put it back up again. Just come in a little bit there. Nope, too far. So I put the word stop across the yellow target and added the blue light there so we can go up and down. A little bit of a noise on the motor, but right next to the motor so you hear it. Down, and we run over it and the KDs don't pick up on it. So that's good.